Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to my another video. Today I want to prepare another veggie style food, and also I can say that it is spicy food, and because I use the Mexican spice, and also you can use the chili pepper, but I prefer to avoid to use the chili pepper because I like the spicy food, but I can say I'm a middle lover spicy food. But if you like so much the spicy, and so you can add this one also. And also this one, dishes you can eat with rice, you can eat with the bread, and you can eat with the chips. And so you have I can say actually you have a three option for eating this one. And also this one is a combination and different kind of the vegetable, and this is also a healthy food, and you can prepare this food very fast because it just takes 20 to 30 minutes. And I like this one also so much because I like to use a different spice from different countries from the around the world, and so today I use the Mexican spice. And please follow me, and don't forget to subscribe me, and if you want to receive my newest video, please press the key bell. Okay, we can do it with each other. Let's do it.